Forecast.
What a difference a day makes. 24 hours ago, we had the rain move on in. It was a soaking rain through late last night. And now, as we look outside live from the Carter Mountain weather camera over Charlottesville and Central Virginia, good visibility all the way to the Blue Ridge Mountains. A few clouds are increasing, but the winds are still quite gusty. Happy Monday to you. I'm Storm Team 29 meteorologist Josh Fitzpatrick. The next big thing I'm tracking from the Weather Center is going to be another long, dry spell, but on the horizon, looking more towards Christmas and the day after Christmas, another rainstorm looks to be on the horizon. Here's that first forecast for the rest of your Monday. Temperatures are going to pretty much level off where they are right now. In the 40s in the valley, low and mid 50s across Central Virginia. Still not bad for this time of the year here in the middle part of December. For tonight, a clearing sky with less wind, still brisk, but the strongest winds will be between now and about 2 to 4 p.m., especially for the Blue Ridge Mountains and the Shenandoah Valley. So 55 right now in Charlottesville. That will basically be our daytime high for today, and mid 40s currently across the I-81 corridor. Radar recap shows the soaking rains pushing on through the area from late morning yesterday, midday, and especially between around 5 o'clock last night and midnight. Now we are seeing dry skies across the region. Doppler estimates show we all received 1 inch to 2 inches of rain, but localized areas on the Doppler estimate showing 2 to 3 inches of rainfall, especially east towards I-95. Dry scans on the live Doppler radar network right now, but still from the National Weather Service, that is a wind advisory for the Blue Ridge Mountains through 4 p.m. for wind gusts up to 55 miles per hour. And for the next hour or two for the Shenandoah Valley, winds may be up to 45 and 50 miles an hour from the northwest. So hopefully you have secured those Christmas and holiday decorations. It's rain all the way north to New England and into Atlantic Canada. So a lot of warm air with that system, but on the back end of the system, it's going to cool down. We're seeing snow squalls off the Great Lakes bumping up against the Appalachians. That's where the snow will fall. Across the Alleghenies into far western Virginia, Highland County, and especially towards Snowshoe Mountain, they may receive closer to a foot of snow by the time it's all said and done later on tomorrow. So it's a skier's delight. That's the live view from the top of Snowshoe Mountain at 4848 elevation. Now, fast forward, we are dry for the remainder of the work and school week, but by the weekend, here comes a storm system developing across the plain states. But for now, it looks like it will hold off until after Christmas. So the early call for Christmas Day still looks to be partly sunny and dry with highs in the lower 50s at this time. So keep checking it back for updates. But this year, no snow expected around here. Your forecast for today calls for a partly sunny sky, highs in the upper 40s to the mid 50s in your Storm Team 29 report. Tonight, mainly clear skies with lows colder in the upper 20s and the lower 30s with less wind. And your Tuesday outlook, sunshine, a couple of clouds. It'll be the coldest day of the week, by the way. Upper 30s in the valley, mid 40s across Central Virginia. 7-day forecast, teens and 20s tomorrow night. Wednesday, high of 50 with sunshine, 55 on Thursday, the winter solstice, and then Friday and the weekend. So far, so good. A few clouds begin to build, but it will stay dry for perhaps through Christmas Day. Jerry.